guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole. We are back with another smoothie bowl tutorial. You guys, Valentine's Day is 2 days away, so it's only fitting that we make a Valentine's Day themed smoothie bowl. This smoothie bowl is going to be pink and delicious. I'm so excited to teach you how to make it, but I have a really exciting announcement. The coconut bowls, you guys, my first line of coconut bowls, they're called the Nomad Bowls. They're coming out next week, February 19th. Mark your calendars, is the launch day for these Nomad coconut bowls. They're so cute. They have this really beautiful hand-painted squiggle, kind of like an ocean wave on this side, and this is the polished side of the coconut bowl, and then on the other side, it's raw coconut shell, and it has the word Nomad laser engraved into the bowl, and so these come out February 19th. I am so excited. This is my first product launch ever, and I just am so excited to have a product that unites us together as a family, something that we can all put our smoothies in and enjoy together. So again, mark your calendars, February 19th. I'm gonna be sending out a big, massive email, and I'll be posting it on all of my social media. Conveniently, the 19th is another Friday. So next week, there'll be a big announcement in my YouTube video. I'll also be posting on my Instagram. I'll pretty much be posting it everywhere because I'm so excited about it. But if you wanna be the first one to receive the link to get these bowls, make sure you're signed up for the Nomad newsletter on my website, NicoleTheNomad.com. I'll be sure to link everything in the description box below so you have easy access to it. But these bowls we will be selling along with these cute little spoons. This is a coconut bowl wooden spoon that matches the bowl. It's got these little hand-painted waves on them. And then these adorable brass teaspoons, they have little palm trees on the top, and they're so cute. I cannot wait to get these in your hands, so be sure to mark your calendars. Okay, let's get into the smoothie bowl. Let's not waste any more time. If you're excited to learn how to make this Valentine's Day smoothie bowl, give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Woo! Okay, we're gonna start off just like we do every other smoothie bowl with about a 1/4 cup of liquid. Today I'm using unsweetened almond milk, but any kind of liquid or milk alternative will work. Now we're gonna add 1 frozen banana. Bananas help your smoothie bowl get really thick and creamy. I always recommend letting your banana sit out for a couple of days, and right when they just start to get brown and spotty, that's when you wanna peel them, and then I just stick them in a big bowl like this and keep them in my freezer. Some people chop up the bananas before they freeze them, but I like to keep them whole because then I know exactly how much is 1 banana when I'm doing recipes, and they're pretty soft that you can just break them up like that, and it's super easy in your blender. Okay, next we're gonna do about a cup of frozen strawberries. The main flavor of this bowl is going to be strawberry, which is one of my favorite flavors. And then we're gonna do about 1/2 cup of frozen cherries. Get those in there. Last but not least, if you've been following my smoothie bowls for any length of time, you know that I am the queen of riced cauliflower. Now, most people stick their noses up when I say this because you might think, what, vegetables in a smoothie? But if you just add about 1/2 cup of frozen riced cauliflower, you honestly can't even taste it, and it just helps your smoothie bowl to be thicker and you have more of the smoothie without adding extra sugar. You definitely don't have to put this in, but I like to do it because I like to have a big smoothie bowl, but I always try to watch my sugar and keep it down. So we're just gonna do a couple shakes of this. We love it. Last but not least, we're gonna add 1 scoop of vanilla protein powder. This ingredient is optional. You don't have to add it into your smoothie bowls, but I always like to do a scoop of protein powder because it keeps me full, and this almost serves as a meal replacement. Without the protein powder, it's really just a bunch of fruit, which ends up being a lot of sugar, and so to make it a more well-rounded meal, I like to add the protein and then some type of healthy fat in there as well. But again, totally optional. You don't have to. If you wanna check out the protein powder that I like, I really love 310 Nutrition. I'll link it down in the description below. It's one of the only ones I've found that doesn't have like a weird aftertaste or a chalky flavor, because I have tried so many protein powders and this one's my favorite. Alrighty, we are ready to blend. Here we go. If you're looking for a blender, probably the most common question I get asked is, what blender do I use for my smoothie bowls? In all of my smoothie bowl videos, if you look in the description box, usually the first link is my smoothie bowl starter kit. I have linked this blender as well as some of the other blenders I used and some other options that I think are really good for making smoothie bowls that you can just find on Amazon. So if you click that link, it takes you to all of the things I recommend for blenders and other things when you're starting to make smoothie bowls. Okay, let's go. Amazing. Oh, yes. my goodness, this smoothie bowl is so creamy. Let's take a bite. Whoa, this is so good. Very smooth. Such a cute little Valentine snack. Wow. Okay, if you want this recipe, it's in the description box below. I've also posted it on my blog, and it's also part of my February ebook. I send out an ebook every single month with 5 new recipes. So if you want that, you can get it for free by signing up for the Nomad newsletter, which is on my website, NicoleTheNomad.com. One more week. The countdown is officially on for the Nomad smoothie bowls. If you guys are excited about these coconut bowls, let me know. The bundle comes with one of these bowls, one of these coconut spoons, and then a matching brass palm tree spoon. I cannot wait, you guys. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. If you want to be the first one to get that link, remember to sign up for my newsletter. Those people will get the link first. We have 500 made, and once they're sold out, they're sold out. So hopefully we'll be able to do a second batch, but don't miss out. If you make this smoothie bowl, take a picture and tag me on social media because I love seeing all your smoothie bowl creations. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much for tuning in this week. And hey, in 2 days, happy Valentine's Day. I hope you know how loved you are. Whether or not you have a significant other or a special someone in your life, you are loved. You are loved by me. You are a valued member of this community and family, and I'm so thankful and so honored to do life with you. So thank you for being here. I love you so much. Give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're not already part of the family. See you next week. Bye.